Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create content locker in WordPress using OptinMonster. Click Create New Campaign. Choose campaign type inline. Next we have to choose a template. I am using Metro template for this demo. Give a name to inline campaign. Select the website which you want to load this campaign. Click Start Building. I am going to use the default settings as it is for this campaign. So I am directly going to Publish tab and changing the status from pause to live. Save these settings. Go to your WordPress dashboard and refresh campaign in OptinMonster plugin to retrieve this new campaign. Click Edit Output Settings of that particular campaign and copy the shortcode. Paste the shortcode in WordPress post which you want to load this campaign. Update the post. Now load the post in the browser. We can see the inline campaign is loading successfully. Next we are going to set the content locker for this inline campaign. To do this, go to that campaign in OptinMonster. In the Design tab click Inline Settings and toggle on Lock Content below campaign. Removal content locking style is used now. Save these settings. Now load the post in the browser. We can see that content below inline campaign was hidden. Next we are going to set obfuscation content locking style. Save these settings. Now load the post in the browser. We can see that content below campaign was blurred. So now if a visitor wants to see the content below inline campaign, he has to sign up the newsletter and after that he can see the content.